Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Home device pairing failed. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Settings app and then find the Apps option by scrolling down. Tap on it. Here, tap on all the apps and scroll down till you find the Google Home app. Tap on it. Now tap on Photo Stop option and then tap on OK. Now tap on Storage options and tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to your Google Home app and check if it's working. If it's still not working, then come back here and then tap on the Clear Storage option and then tap on Delete. One final thing you can do to fix your connectivity and pairing issue is to check your permissions. If you haven't given your Google Home access to contacts, then that could be the issue. Tap on Contacts option and then select the Allow option to allow it. And that's it. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.